Dear students, നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് കണ്ടു പേഴ്സണൽ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്, എൻവയൺമെൻറ്റൽ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്. മൂന്നാമത്തെയാണ് ഓർഗനൈസേഷണൽ ഫാക്ടർ. It includes physical facilities, structure and design, leadership, reward system. So first let us see physical facilities. The physical environment at a workplace is the arrangement of people and things so that it has a positive influence on people. So the physical facilities provided, layout, factory layout and plant layout, the arrangement of people and things in the organization, that also has a positive influence on the people. Some of the factors which influence individual behavior are noise level, heat, light, ventilation, cleanliness, nature of job, office furnishing, number of people working at a given place, all these physical facilities. We know that the environmental facilities, the work, the environment remaining at the workplace, that must be good and that must be motivating the people or employees to work. So we know that light, heat, then properly ventilate, whether there is proper ventilation, what about cleanliness, then furnishing, office furnishing, the nature of the job, all these facilities available in the organization also influence people positively. Second one, structure and design. It is concerned with the setup, design of departments within how the departments, you know that organization consists of several departments. What is the design of departments within an organization? Individual behavior is influenced by where an individual perfectly fits in a hierarchy of organization. Right person in the right post in the right job. So then only he will be perfectly fit and perfectly working, and this influence his behavior and performance. Okay, so you have to see what is structure of the organization and design of the departments and how the department is set up, and what about the position of the individual, whether he is posted in the right job at the right place, that is also an influencing factor. Third one, leadership. The management of the organization establishes the system of leadership so that the proper assistance, advice, guidance, direction and coaching could be given to the individuals. So leadership is a must. What is the how the management establishes the system of leadership? Whether it's proper assistance, guidance, advice, direction, training, coaching, etc. are available to the individuals. So the behavior is employees influence to a large extent the behavior of the leaders or the superiors of the organization. So what is the relationship between the superior and the subordinates? And what is the behavior of the leaders or the superiors? That also is an influencing factor. There should be a cordial relationship and harmonious blend between the leaders or superiors and the subordinates. It is also an important influencing factor. Last one, reward system. Reward system, that is, there should be a positive relationship between reward and individuals' work performance. That means a worker should be positively rewarded for his work. Then only he will be well motivated and it also influences his behavior. That is, when people perform well, they are to be positively rewarded. How? By giving proper payment as well as giving encouragement, appreciation, etc. So the reward system is also important factor which influences the behavior of the organization. So these are the 4 organizational factors. So first one, reward system. Second one, structure and design. Third one, leadership. Last one, physical facilities. So what about the physical facilities? What about the design and structure of the department and organization? What about the leadership or relationship between superiors and subordinates? And last, what about the reward system? Whether employees are properly rewarded for their hard work, they are given proper appreciation, and they are given encouragement, all these. So these are the environmental factors which affect the performance performance as well as the behavior of the employees.